So this is how you can download Twitter videos. You're gonna want to open up Twitter and then look for a specific video that you want to download. So I'm just gonna go on ahead and scroll down. And here we are. As you can see, this is a video right here and we can actually download it if we go on ahead and tap on the last button to the right. So it's gonna look like a download button with the arrow facing up. It should be on the bottom right corner of the video, so simply tap on that and now tap on copy link. Once you have the link, you're going to want to go to your Safari or any kind of browser you may have, and then search for Twitter Downloader. And here we are. As you can see, there are quite a few websites where we can download Twitter videos. So I'm just going to go on ahead and choose one of them. And as you can see, it says tweet link. So we're going to want to tap on that and simply paste the link and tap on download. It should start downloading or it's going to leave us to another website, and you can tap on these three links whether you want it by 320, 480, or 576. Basically, it's all based on what kind of pixels you like or the quality. But yeah, just choose the highest quality if you want that, and it's going to start downloading to your phone. You could also do this with your PC or laptop. Just simply copy the link of a certain video and paste it over here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.